everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So I am going to be unbagging my Ipsy for June 2019 today. I am super excited. If you do not know what Ipsy is, it is only $10 per month and is one of my favorite beauty subscriptions. I absolutely love it. Totally worth it. If you have not yet subscribed, I will leave a link down in the description box. It always comes in this pink mailer bag, so it's always exciting to see this in my mailbox when it arrives. I have avoided spoilers. I've been good at that, so I'm not exactly sure what I am getting in this bag. So yeah, let's get unbagging. So it looks like something came outside of the bag, but this is what the actual bag looks like this month. Oh, and it has Tetris on it. So Ipsy teamed up with Tetris this month for their 35th anniversary. In my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I did receive Ipsy times Tetris palette. If you guys missed my video, I will link that down below. The Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is like an upgraded version of the Ipsy. It's $25 a month, and instead of samples, you get full-size items, and it's also pretty awesome. So yeah, definitely check that out if you have not yet already. But I guess this is kind of like shaped like Tetris pieces a little bit. I guess more like the corner of the bag is, but yeah. So let's start with what came outside the bag. Looks like these are some sheet masks. Let me get them out of this plastic wrapping. Wow, these are adorable. I absolutely love sheet masks. Oh yeah, these are kind of warm. I just grabbed this like minutes ago from my mailbox outside, and it is like 93 degrees out. Anyways, look how cute these are. There's like a little raccoon on this one and a bear on the other. So the first one with the bear is the Sweet Honey Bear Face Mask. This is supposed to be smoothing and nourishing for all skin types. And these are by Look at Me. I think that's the brand. So again, here's that one. And then the one with the raccoon is Aqua Moisture Raccoon Face Mask. This one is refining and deeply moisturizing, and also for all skin types. I am super happy to get these. I do sheet masks a few times a week. I absolutely love them. I think they help out my skin a lot. I love to do them like before I do my makeup, or like whenever my skin just looks like it needs it. Like maybe I didn't sleep a lot the night before, which sometimes happens. These are always skin saving. I love them. I don't think I've tried anything by the brand Look at Me before, so that's exciting to try something new as well. Now let's get into the actual bag. Oh, I didn't notice the little piece on top is like a little Tetris piece. The little piece on top, you know what I mean, the zipper. So there is a little card in here that says, welcome to the Black Party. We're kicking off summer bright. Think rainbow hued glam bags stacked with vibrant shadows, shimmering gloss, mega wit highlighters, and more. We've even teamed up with Tetris to create an exclusive makeup collection that's bursting with color. Ready to play? Awesome. And it doesn't say anything about the items. Like some months you get information on the stuff that comes inside and others you don't. I don't really know what that's about. But it says, wear more color. Here's a few ways to do hue from subtle to show-stopping. And then just gives some tips on how to be more vibrant. Like, do a pretty petty, vibrant liner, flirty flush. Alright, now the first thing I grabbed out is in this bubble wrap. Let's get it out of there. Oh, and this is by Space Case Cosmetics. I actually received a full-size blush once in one of my Ipsy bags, which was super cool, and I do like it, and it's by this company I met. So their packaging is super cute. You can see there's like a little spaceship or something like that on there. So what is this? Is this an eyeshadow? Yep, it looks like this is an eyeshadow. This is a good size. What color is this in? Intense Scargasm. Have you noticed like a lot of makeup companies use like gasm at the end of their makeup names? So this looks pretty. It's like silvery. So there's it on my finger. I like this. This would be a good like shadow topper, maybe in your inner corner. It feels really nice and buttery, and it looks pretty too. So I'm excited to try it because I really, like I said, I really like their blushes. So I never tried their eyeshadows. Awesome. Next up is something with the Tetris collaboration. This is a lip gloss, and I'm pretty sure this is full size. Ipsy consistently gives out like full size items in their $10 bag. It's the only subscription box like that price that does it. It's super awesome. Like I would say that all of these are considered full size so far. Like face mask, obviously. And then this is definitely a full-size shadow. So let's see what this gloss looks like. I feel like I've gotten a gloss in like all of my beauty boxes this month. Oh wow, this one's like champagne shimmery color. It smells good. Oh, I guess I should show you the applicator before I swatch it. So yeah, it's just like a shimmery, goldish looking. Can you guys even tell? I didn't finish my sentence. Gloss. So I think this would look cute on its own. I feel like it would look better like with some liner underneath, and if you just want some like glitter and shimmer on it. So I'll have to try it out and see if it's like sticky or not. It doesn't seem like it will be, just from my swatch, but yeah, so full-size gloss, that's pretty cool. I like the packaging too. I think that the teamed up with Tetris is kind of funny, but it's cute too. Ooh, next up is a brush. Another thing I consider full-size. Yes, this is a good month. This is by Elizabeth Mott, and this is an all-over shadow brush. This is what it looks like. It's got a pink handle. You can always use more shader brushes. Like I recently mentioned, I am not the best about cleaning my brushes, so I always welcome more into my collection. And then there's one more thing. Oops, the cap just came off. And this is by Neuma, if I'm saying that correctly. This is the Neo Moisture Instant Fix. This is supposed to revive and revitalize your hair. I think, yes, it's a lightweight leave-in protectant that detangles, hydrates, and tames hair by sealing and protecting the cuticle to create smoothness, manageability, plus vibrant shine. Cool. I feel like I've gotten something from this brand before and I liked it, but I'm blanking on what it was. It was another like spray type product. So I'm excited to get this. I always use detanglers after I wash my hair, so and if it adds shine, that's an extra bonus. So yeah, that is everything. What do you guys think? I think it's a good month. So the bag honestly isn't my favorite. I feel like they could have made it like a little bit more Tetris looking, but I really do like how the zipper is a Tetris piece. That's cute. And then, so we first got the face mask, which I love getting sheet masks and subscriptions. I absolutely just love sheet masks. I use them way more often than I use regular masks. I just think it's so much easier and just like you don't have to wash your face after. It's nice. And then we got a full-size gloss, which is in the Tetris and Ipsy line. The eyeshadow by Space Case. I'm excited to try that out. A brush, yes. And the hair product. So yeah, not bad. I wouldn't say this is like my all-time favorite month, but definitely doesn't suck. So yeah, you guys have to let me know. Are we bag twins? What did you guys get in your bag this month? I love hearing from you guys down in the comments, so definitely let me know what you received. And anyways, thank you so much for being here and unbagging with me. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!